This Maserati Levante is going on an adventure. We're going to Campwell River Valley, a campsite deep in the Sierra Madre of Tanay. On the way there, we take the Levante through the winding roads of Tanay.
It's so nice.
The combination of sporty power, handling, and plush comfort make me wish I could drive it here for hours.
Hindi siya nakakahilo, no?
Galing, no? Because I can feel we're going fast eh.
I've never experienced a ride like this before, but then again, it's a Maserati. It's off-road time. My friend Mark Soong shows us what a Levante can do in the hands of an expert.
Joel, you should be in this car right now.
So people will do this in like sometimes driving in 30 minutes, ganyan. You can do it in 12.
So with this, say with this terrain, it's okay to go on this speed?
Yeah,
At this speed?
we're actually doing 20.
Oh my god! Because he knows the road, he knows the car, and he knows how to drive. So he's not abusing the car.
Knowing, and then another thing we always do, if there's a fork in the road, that's where we wait.
Yeah. Okay, I wouldn't drive the car like that, but since he is a professional driver, and he's an experienced driver, it was a big eye-opener and daming aha moments. But ang tibay pala neto. Like all along, we thought that the Maserati is just for, you know, like parties, events. Over here in Mother Nature. And this is the new party.
So our tires don't have traction, so I'm kind of sliding all over the place.
Yeah.
After some gnarly mud driving, we make it in one piece to Campwell. How to maneuver a big SUV in a tight space with no traction? Kids, please don't try this at home.
What did I just watch?
10, that's a 10. Winch now, oh, no winch.
Time to set up camp and get cooking.
This is our kare-kare. Inihaw ni Chef Eman lahat. Oxtail, ox stripe, beef cheeks, and then yung aming special kare-kare sauce, and then with our ginamos or bagoong. Then we have here chicken inasal sisig with a liver pate that Eman and Jerry made. And then inasal chicken wings, ensalada, and rice is life. So dig in, attack, let's go!
Looks good. I like this. And then the sauce. And the gulay. Oh my gulay.
Put the liver pate and put some chicken oil.
That's really the standard. So good. guanciale.
On the
This is squid ink palabo with crispy crab flakes, stewed squid, and local pandesal.
And then they kill them and bury them in the desert.
So, good evening everyone. Chef Eman and Chef Jerry work all day today, non-stop. Pag maayos yung gamit, maayos yung makina, maayos yung camping, maayos yung mga tao, maayos lahat. So, kahit na 2 taon na to, maayos pa rin tayo. Cheers! Kainan na!
Kainan na naman.
Na naman!
change our.
This is glamping.
This has changed our camping standards, huh?
It is, yeah, jacked it up 10 notches.
Yeah, it'll never be the same.
We just invite chef all the time.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Gata, luya. Eman, sarap!
Siyempre, lola-lolo ko, akong ama, di ba?
Ayun, tumitirik na yung mata ko.
Wepay, so...
Alam mo na bakit? Hindi sa alak ah.
Oy.
Parang kesong puti na matamis. Diba pa? Hindi kumpleto yung childhood ko pala.
Never seen myself cook before.
That's cool. Cool.
Shakshuka, pero I use Pinoy sardines. So, some sardines, some egg, moist egg, some cheese, parmesan.
Damn, the Mark Sung touch.
This way.
Enjoy.
I'll go.
Wow.
So this is guanciale.
It hits the spot in all ways.
Diba?
But it's also very luxe. The cheese makes it premium or luxe.
This is so yummy. You could eat this like as a breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or just eat it all together and then you're done for the day, right? Yummy.
Super fun day with friends. Super grateful for friends, good food, nature, beautiful cars. What else can you ask for?
So, look. That's why, I don't know, I'll just try to clean the inside of the car. But then the outside, I mean, I guess it went on a little adventure. It's really comfortable here. Later, I want to sit on the back if Mark soon drives.
But before we go, the Levante is going on one more adventure.
Wow, performance. Tapos, luxury.